Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for SafePal wallet. To sign up for SafePal wallet, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the SafePal wallet application on your mobile device. And once it is done, launch the app open after installation. The first interface of the wallet will look like this. Click on this little circle at the bottom that says I've read and accepted the terms of use and click on Get Started. Now, create a security password to unlock your wallet. Go ahead and write it down with the help of the keypad and then confirm your security password once again by entering it again. If you want, you can also add Face ID by clicking on the Face ID on the screen. And once you are done, you will be taken to a next page. Click on Start SafePal Journey and add a wallet to start your crypto journey. You can add a software wallet or hardware wallet according to your preference. I'm going to tap on the software wallet button. Now, click on Create a new wallet from the option. Right after you do that, enter your security password that you previously created and enter a name for your new wallet on the next page. After you are done, click on Continue. And your wallet has now been created. SafePal will generate a 12, 18 or 24 words recovery phrases, which is essential for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device. So make sure to back up your mnemonic phrases. You can tap on either backup to iCloud or backup manually if you want to save your mnemonic phrases by yourself. I'm going to tap on backup manually option. Right after you do that, your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen. Write down the mnemonic phrases in a piece of paper in the correct order, and once you are done with it, click on Next at the bottom. Now verify your backup phrases by writing down the words in the correct order. Simply select the words at the bottom of the screen and place them in the correct order and click on Verify at the bottom. Right after you've backed up your wallet completely, click on Start Using Wallet. And there you have successfully signed up for your SafePal wallet. You can now start adding, receiving and sending cryptocurrencies easily. So that's how you easily sign up for SafePal in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.